Tune your frequency for the big battle with KIPS Evening Coaching. Target optimum preparation for outstanding performance in board exams 2024. Join revision and test session for first year and second year. Prepare in full gear via chapter-wise, topic-wise tests, half-book and full-book tests including pre-board FLPs.
Inter-revision and test session further ensures fast-track revision of complete syllabus, SLO-based questions, helping you to gain full grip on 25% conceptual component of the question paper. The new big challenge in board exams 2024.
Enter the Toppers League. Board Results 2023 Achievements. Matric, 11 top positions, 129 KIPSians, 1070 plus marks, 1972 KIPSians, 1000 plus marks, 66% KIPSians, A plus or A grade. Enter 25 top positions, 749 KIPSians, 1000 plus marks, 54% KIPSians, A plus or A grade.
Revision and test session for first year and second year. Admissions now open. Classes commencing from the 15th of February. Join now.
For details, visit your nearest KIPS Preparations campus, our website, Facebook, or call at our helplines.
KIPS Evening Coaching. Journey to Brilliance begins here.